In the heart of the village, a delicious secret was about to be shared. Hi everyone, I'm Yuki, and I'm so excited you're here in our kitchen today.
And I am Grandma Saki. Welcome to our home, dear friends.
Today is a very special day because Grandma is finally going to tell us a secret.
That's right, Yuki. Today, we will learn the secret of making the most comforting miso soup. Many think it is the dashi or the age of the miso, Yuki-chan. But look closer. These simple things from the earth are where the magic begins.
Yay! I've been waiting forever to learn this. Let's get started.
First, we must prepare the dashi with patience and care. The secret isn't just the miso, Yuki. It starts with the dashi. We let the kombu wake up in the water first.
It smells like the ocean already.
Now, the katsuobushi. See them dance? That is the moment the umami is born.
Grandma, how is this miso paste actually made? It looks so rich.
I prepared this batch months ago, Yuki-chan. It takes time, soybeans, salt, and a special magic called koji. First, we steam the golden soybeans until they are perfectly soft.
Then we mash them down, turning the beans into a thick, hearty paste.
We mix in the salt and the koji, the tiny organisms that do all the hard work. Finally, we pack it tight in cedar barrels and let it sleep for many months. It breathes with the seasons, aging slowly to develop its deep, complex soul.
Wow, so it's like a long, salty nap for the beans.
Exactly, Yuki-chan. And that nap is what makes it so delicious. The secret isn't in the heat, Yuki-chan. It is in the patience. We must let the miso find its way into the water, never rushing the dance.
Now for the tofu and the green onions.
Perfect, Yuki-chan. A gentle touch makes all the difference.
Is the secret ingredient love, Grandma?
It's the most important one we have. The real secret, Yuki, is the love we put into the pot together.
Look, Grandma! The steam! It looks like it's giving us a hug.
Miso has traveled through 1,000 years of history. Once, it was so precious it was used as a status symbol for samurai and monks. It became the soul of the home, a gift passed down through generations. To share a bowl of miso is to share a piece of history itself. And there we have it, a bowl of warmth for the soul.
It looks and smells amazing, Grandma. Can I try it first, please?
Patience, Yuki-chan. The best things are worth the wait. Miso is alive, Yuki-chan. It is full of probiotics.
Wow!
Does it give me super strength? It gives you clean energy to play.
I want to cook just like you one day, Grandma.
You already have a chef's heart, my dear.
Everything feels so calm and happy today, Grandma.
Warm bowl is best shared with a warm village, Yuki-chan.
If you want to master the art of don't forget to like, subscribe, and hype this video.
Next time, we'll show you the secret of the perfect rice. See you soon!